rotations II on level 8. Notice we don't have the rotating tool. We're going to have to plot each point, so we're going to use all of our tricks. So 90 degrees clockwise, okay, so that's going to come down here. My A is going to end up in quadrant number 4, my C prime is going to end up in quadrant number 4, but my B is going to end up in quadrant number 1. Okay, and knowing that, I can just reverse the X's and Y's. So my A is at 9, 1, so it's going to end up down here at 1, 9, okay, ignoring the signs. Okay, it's really 1, negative 9, but we're ignoring the signs, knowing that we're just moving into the next quadrant. The B is going to end up in quadrant 1. It's in quadrant number 2 at, well, negative 1, 7, but we're ignoring the signs, so 1, 7, so we're going to end up at 7, 1, like that. And the C is at 1, 3, so it's going to end up down here at 3, 1. All right, and then click the check button to check to see if we're right. Okay, you could also use your mapping notation, which is this, but okay, you can use your mapping notation. You can say that your A is positive 9, positive 1, and so it's going to end up at 1, negative 9. So 1, negative 9. Okay. All right, 180 degrees counterclockwise. Now it doesn't matter counterclockwise or clockwise, 180 is 180, so we're going to end up, okay, we're going to end up over here. And the easiest thing to do with 180s is just switch the signs. So your A is at 6, 10, so it's going to be over here at negative 6, negative 10. And the B is at 11, 10, so we're going to be at negative 11, negative 10. And the C is at 11, 4, so we're going to be in negative 11, negative 4. So we just change the signs. If they were positive, they become negative. If they were negative, they become positive. Rotate triangle ABC 270 degrees clockwise. And remember, 270 clockwise is 90 counterclockwise, so I'm rotating counterclockwise. I know my A is going to end up down here in the next quadrant, quadrant number 3. My B is in quadrant 3, so it's going to end up over here in quadrant 4. My C is in quadrant 4, it's going to end up in quadrant 1. So I'm using the switch the positions and ignore the signs method. So the A is in quadrant 2 at 8, 4, so it's going to end up at 4, 8 in quadrant number 3. My B is at 6, 3 in quadrant 3, so it's going to be at 3, 6 in quadrant 4. My C is at 1, 2 in quadrant 4, so it's going to be at 2, 1 in quadrant 1, like that. All right, and then we check to see if we're right. Okay, and that's it for rotations. Have a good day.